All right, so for today, we're going to be installing the KRX trailer hitch. Mine is a trail edition, so I have the bumper in the way, and I looked on YouTube quite a bit to find one where it was mounted on one with the rear bumper, because I know that some of them look like they would be in the way with the with that bumper. Anyways, let's take a look what I got here. All right, so here's the box. Sorry, I already cut it open because I got excited. So I got mounting hardware, some sort of a backing plate. And here it is. The brand name is KFI, made in the United States. How about that? Powder tough coated. Pretty easy to follow instructions here. That's up, that's down. Vacuum plate to strengthen it. I didn't get the tow rating on this. It's a class 3, so I'm going to say at least 3,000 pounds, more than what the KRX would probably tow. Anyways, yeah, that looks pretty straightforward. It looks like it's not in the way of anything, so let's get going on that. All right, so we got our instructions, we got our hardware. Open that up. So basically, looking at that picture, I want us to do that. Oh yeah, that fits good. So take these two off. So these are for here, but we have two already. So I'm thinking that they did that because they don't know what your situation is, if you had a bumper or not. Because in this picture, there's no bumper. All right, I apologize for wearing the hood. My propane ran out because it's supposed to be spring, and it ain't, it's cold. So anyways, let's take these off. These are 14, oh, what do we got here? I think they're 14 mil. Yeah. Okay, so there's the bolt that come with it, and there's the ones that were in there. These ones are a little bit thicker, and they fit. I'm going to use the heavier ones because that's a lot of weight. I'll use what came with it. So we're not going to use the ones that were in this. We're going to use the new ones. So I'm assuming from the instructions, those 3 bolts there, this goes in behind to help support that. Get that somewhat lined up. This may be tricky. What I'm going to do is, I think you should do those bottom ones first, so we will do the bottom ones first. Powder coat. There. All right, so now I'm going to put 2 of these at the top. And we need that bar. Let's do all 3. There, we got them. Okay. 3 at the top first. We're going to start these. That should be fun. backing plate. Got one more to do. Okay, backing plate is in. 3 are started, tighten as far as I can go. Now let's deal with this. What was I thinking? Yeah, that grabbed. That must be a good one. Okay. It must have been telling me I'm not going on because you're doing it wrong. So that is it. What a piece of cake. Not. Half inch. Okay, I gotta get that middle one. Let's do it with this. Hold. Nice. There we go. So I got this not so much for towing, but for, you know, pulling you out of a bad situation. But while we were doing this, I noticed these two up here were not tight. Okay, so there we go. KRX with Trail Edition bumper, trailer hitch install, done. So now I can get towed out of a bad situation or tow a little trailer. And anyways, that was the KFI products, made in the USA, powder coated trailer hitch installation with the trail kit. And thanks for watching.